Hello friends, and welcome back to our farmhouse and to my channel Constantly Abiding. We have been on the road a lot the last few months, and so home has kind of been on the road, going to Legoland and Mackinac Island and different trips you may have seen in previous videos. But today I'm back in my vintage cottage farmhouse kitchen, and it feels so good. Fall is in the air, and I want to bring you along as I make a fall snack that's really easy to put together, mix together with chocolate and peanut butter and all kinds of yummy cereal, and it's gonna be delicious. So come along with me into the farmhouse kitchen and let's put together a quick, easy fall snack. Okay, before we start, let me just share with you the list of ingredients. So we're gonna need 12 ounces of rice cereal, 1 stick of butter, 6 ounce peanut butter chips, 6 ounce chocolate chips, half a cup creamy peanut butter, 3 cups powdered sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup candy corn, 1 cup of M&Ms, and 1/2 cup of Roll-Ups, and that's it. So let's mix it together. Close. No, I'm making that false candy snack mix. Sounds delicious. As you can see, I have the chocolate and the peanut butter melted, and I'm just blending that together for some very creamy yumminess. And here I am just adding in some powdered sugar to the cereal and chocolate peanut butter mixture. Laura Ingalls Wilder said, "And just as a little thread of gold running through a fabric brightens the whole garment, so women's work at home, while only doing the doing of little things, like the golden gleam of sunlight, runs through and brightens all the fabric of civilization." Laura Ingalls Wilder. Now that I have melted the chocolate and peanut butter and folded it into the dry ingredients, I am now adding some chocolate Rolos. I did have to individually unwrap each Rolo, but it did add quite a punch of good chocolatey flavor to this fall snack mix. Last time I was in Ohio, I picked up these caramel candy corns at the Ashery, which is a bulk food store in Ohio's Amish country. They had all different varieties of candy corns, and I thought the caramel sounded so delicious, and I mixed that into this fall snack. Dishes are definitely a part of everything that I cook, and of any kind of snack or meal preparation. Dishes continue to reappear in my sink all day, every day in the farmhouse. To me, it helps so much to just take care of them right away. That way, the food does not have time to dry and cake, and things do not pile up. And of course, there are times where things do pile up, but just as a general rule, I really try to wash things as I go. I try even to put ingredients and things away as I'm cooking or baking, mixing things up. If I'll just continue the cleanup as I go, it makes such a difference, because after a cooking project, I'm tired, and it's just nice for some of the work to already be behind me. So that is one tip of how I keep up with my farmhouse kitchen, is I clean and put things away as I am working. Sometimes we may be tempted to feel that monotonous tasks that we do over and over multiple times a day are just a waste of our time, like we're pedaling and getting nowhere. But in God's kingdom, these tasks have eternal value as we serve Him by serving others. I love this quote by Elizabeth George. She said, "Time is never wasted when you use it to create a better environment for your family and others." Home is a place where busyness is proper, called for, and desperately needed. Don't neglect to busy yourself with your homemaking. Elizabeth George. We had a guest coming to stay in our RV trailer on our property, and I wanted to have some good fall snacks out there in the trailer so that our guests would have something to munch on. And so I found these adorable little sacks at Hobby Lobby and was filling them with the fall snack mix. Whenever I am out thrifting, I look for these little baskets and often pick them up very cheaply, like a quarter, 50 cents, 75 cents. And here I am layering various snacks for our guest, and I'm about to take them out to our RV trailer. So I'm coming out to the RV trailer to leave the snacks on the counter for our guests, and I thought I would just show you around. There is a little closet on either side of the master bed, and then this is our kitchenette and sitting area. The couch and the dinette table fold down into beds. I liked that it has sort of the farmhouse sink, the larger oversized sink, and I loved the wallpaper. That was a selling factor for me. It has your standard RV refrigerator, and then we have a little bathroom, and it has a tiny tub. It is a tub, not just a shower, but it is tiny, more like a child size or pet size tub. I was glad with our large family that we were able to get the larger dinette. And then we have a little pantry here to put our food, and this little bunk room. This was definitely something I wanted with the 4 bunks for our daughters, and overall it feels light and airy and seems to fit us pretty well, so I am thankful. Here I am just putting the sheets on the bed for our guests. We talked about having an RV for years, and so it is exciting to finally have one and to be getting it all set up, and just another little home on wheels to take care of. Thanks so much for joining me at the farmhouse today, and if you haven't, please hit that subscribe and like button and leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have a beautiful day, friends.